we have an arithmetic sequence Sn has a fourth term of 97 and a 10th term of 145. It is kind of like quite a common like this. They want us to break it down into the arithmetic sequence and define un. Okay, so we can see here u4 is 97, and that u4, if we break it into the formula, that will be u1 plus 3d equal 97, and u10 equal 145. That u10 is u1 plus 9d equal 145. And we can solve this. We can find u and d using a GDC. I'm going to show you how to use GDC here. Menu, under number 3, algebra. It is number 2, solve system of linear equation. Okay, so we take that, and number of sequence, we have two equations, and the variable, I'm going to change it to u and d. Okay, so they put x and y. Okay, so I put u and d, and then I'm going to put exact same like what I wrote here as equation 1. Put u plus 3d equal 97, and the other one u plus 9d equal 145. You don't have to put u1 because both are the same u. Okay, we can enter, we get 73, 8. Okay, so we can solve using GDC. We put that d equal 8 and u1 is 73. You can see I also solve using a simultaneous equation without a GDC. Okay, and next question. Define un. So I think we done the un. Yeah, un. So I think we haven't put in the un term. So the un, you have to put it in the formula. Therefore, the un equal 73 plus n minus 1, 8. D is 8. And when you expand them, you're going to get 65 plus 8k. Alright, un is 65 plus 8k. Alright, B. K is the first term to exceed 200. Determine the value of K. So K is the first term. So we're going to put it this way. UK is greater than 200. First term that exceed. So we need to find K. So we break UK as the formula, arithmetic term. U1 plus K minus 1D. And we put accordingly, the D is 8. And now, we simplify them, we get 65 plus 8k greater than 200. So when we use the GDC, maybe we can ignore the greater sign first. We put equal first. Right? So now I'm going to use GDC, menu. So algebra, numerical solve. I'm going to find the value of k. Put this numerical solve and put 65 plus 8k equal to 100. I'm going to change that. Don't forget to put comma, k. So we need to put the variable there at the end, and we get 16.8. What is k actually? K is number of. K must be a positive integer because k is like, start with 1, 2, 3, 4, number of. And this is a 16.8. Therefore, k bigger than 16.8 will be based on the sign initially. So therefore, the k equal 70. Okay, move next question. The sum of the first n term is 2980. Show that 4n squared plus 169 minus 2980 equals 0. So I think there's some mistake here. It's supposed to be n here. And I don't think there's 1. So let's see what we can get. Sum of the first n term. So we're going to use the Sn formula. So here it is. Sn n over 2 to u1 plus n minus 1d. So practice write the formula. Then you substitute them. u1 and d. So I expand them. And this n over 2 need to multiply each of it. So I do some algebra here. So 146n over 2. And then 8 times n. 8n times n. 8n squared. We're going to get square from here. And 8 times n here, 8n and divide by 2. So equal to 980. From that, I get 73n plus 4n squared minus 4n to 980. And rearrange them. And it's supposed to be 169n, not 169 just now. So it is shown. Okay? So some error here. Hence, if we see a question start with hence, so it's obviously just continue from what you get from the previous question. The answer from the previous question, you use that and continue. Determine the value of n. So our n here is a quadratic. We're going to solve it using GDC. Okay, let's look at the right side. Menu. So algebra again. The quadratic will fall under the third one. Okay. Find roots of a polynomial. Okay, maybe I go back a bit. Polynomial number 3, polynomial rules. Number 1, find root of polynomial. I choose that. They're gonna ask me degree. How many degree? We have 2, and the root is real. Put it that way. And okay, a2, a1, a0. Let's compare what we have here. A2 is the coefficient at x squared. Our case is n squared on the left here. So therefore, it will be 4. And A1 should be 69. And the last one is negative 2980. We need to put negative if it is negative. We're going to put OK. They put it this way and enter again. So I get this. Okay? So I get this. Negative 149 over 4, 20. We're going to choose positive value only because x here or n here is a number